cat. Not my cat. Not my cat. Not my cat. Not my cat. That's Tina. This is my cat. Not. It's eaten.
Hold on 1 second. Are you reading your bedtime book?
Yeah.
What book are you reading?
The cat.
Cat book.
Dad.
Is that a farmer on a burro?
Yeah.
What's he asking? Have you seen my cat?
No.
No.
Not my cat. Not my cat.
Where is your cat?
It is.
What's that say?
This is mommy cat.
Yes, mommy cat. And how many kittens?
1, 2, kittens.
How many? Count again. Let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many kittens, Ethan?
Right there.
Count.
Right there.
Right there. Can you count them for me?
Right there.
Can you count?
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Like that.
Good job.
It's a walking.
You are rocking. Can you blow kisses?
Mm.
Say night-night.
Night night.